In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Kraken Pro to bank account. Withdrawing money or like fiat currency like USD, euros, pounds from Kraken Pro to your bank account is a straightforward process, but it's important to understand the steps and any associated fees or holds, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and scroll. You're gonna see right here, of course, your balances, and right here you're gonna see US dollar, right? Now what you're gonna do, hit withdraw and enter the amount you want to withdraw, and hit select bank account if you haven't, or if you're doing it for the first time. In my case, you can use Swift or Itana custody. I'm gonna hit Swift, into the description, and of course enter the bank name in the bank BIC or Swift, right, or bank identification code, right, and then hit next and add the bank details, and you're gonna receive, of course, from 4 to 5, or excuse me, from for 4 to 7 days, or 4 to 7 working days, you're gonna receive, of course, the funds to your bank account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.